Today we'd like to show you our Buddy L International Dump Truck. It was produced between 1935 and 1939. It is, of course, pressed steel, has solid rubber wheels. This Buddy L does not have the working steering wheel like some that you're used to seeing. It does, however, have working headlights. And in the 30s, I'm thinking this was a pretty unique feature. And the automatic dump mechanism, as it dumps, it automatically opens its tailgate. This truck is complete and all original, and a very unusual truck. You don't see a whole lot of them. Here's your original battery holder. Very cool Buddy L. And an unusual one.